Hello, welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. And this week I'm unboxing this, the Axminster AC200BDS belt and disc sander. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this machine with my own money that I saved from my birthday and Christmas. It cost me £179.96 here in the UK from Axminster Tools. This is not going to be a review video. It's going to be an unboxing and setup video. Once I've been using the machine for a couple of months, I will then do a review video and tell you what I think of it and if there's any good points or bad points to this machine. So let's start by opening the box. Straight away, instructions. I'll have a read through those. So here's it. Well packaged, always a good sign. Lighter gauge. Two tables. And the machine itself. Right, I'll get this out of the box, have a read of the instructions and start putting it together. Right, now it's out of the box, I'll read the instructions and start assembly. Right, in the bottom of the box was some bolts, levers and the dust extraction port. I'm going to start by putting the table for the disc sander on, and it's got some grooves that need to line up with these. And it just slots on. Like so. And then we put these locking levers in. One on each side. Next is the table for the belt sander, and it only attaches on one side, and again I've got to slot it in like so. This is a lot fiddlier. Now I've got it started, it's a lot easier. These locking arms, if you pull them back and rotate, it locks back into place. You can tighten up some more. Pull it back, rotate, it locks back into place. You can tighten it up some more. You just keep repeating that till you've got it as tight as you need it. Right, I'll find a square and I'll set these tables up to a 90-degree angle. To adjust the belt sander from horizontal to vertical, there's an Allen key bolt here which you have to undo. And then you can raise the belt to any angle you want, and when you've got it to where you want it, just tighten the bolt back up. Done. To fit the dust extraction, you just slot the port into position and tighten it up with the Allen key that's been provided. As you can see, the belt on my machine is over to one side, so before I fire it up for the first time, I'm just going to release tension on the belt and line it up by eye, and then I can use the tracking to get it running perfect. To release the tension on the belt, you just pull this out, and you can adjust your belt or change your belt if you're changing it, and then just push this back into place, and be careful, there's a lot of tension there. To track the belt, you just adjust this knob left or right, and it fetches the belt from one side to the other. Let's see how well the mitre gauge fits the mitre slots. There is some play. Try the table for the belt. Yep, there is some play. Well, I was expecting that really, because usually when you buy machinery, mitre slots tend to have play in them. Before I do any sanding with this machine, I'll just run over a few of the specifications. It's a 550 watt induction motor. It's fitted with an MVR switch So if there's a power cut and the power comes back on, you've got to press it for the machine to run. It won't automatically start up again. It's got a 200mm disc, or 8 inches. It's got a 100mm wide belt, or 4 inches. Both the disc and the belt both run on the motor spindle. Both tables will tilt to 45 degrees. The belt will go from horizontal to vertical, or anywhere in between. The dust extraction port is a 63mm. I don't have an adapter for that at the moment, so I'll have to order one of those. Right, let's try sanding a piece of scrap wood. I'm really pleased with that. Let's try the belt. I think this machine is going to be great for my little workshop. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.